Hi guys, hope you are doing amazing. So I am back with another Amazon beauty and fashion haul. So this time I decided to pick a mix of fashion accessories, a piece of clothing, a few essential beauty items, makeup items specifically. So before we start the video, if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's just start the video. I have way too many boxes to go through. So first of all, we'll start with the beauty stuff. So first we have here this box, and it has one of my favorite staple beauty product. So we have here Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 36 Golden. I really like Maybelline's Fit Me concealers because the formula on these is very lightweight. This is not too light, this is not too dark, and it's going to look really good. So my under eye area is not too bright. I am going to apply a little bit here. This is golden, so it definitely has that yellow undertone, and I really like the formula of Fit Me concealers because the formula is generally very lightweight. They blend in beautifully. As you can see, it has blended in and it gives you very beautiful natural coverage. It doesn't look cakey. My under eye area and my whole face looks much fresh and brightened up right now. So I think this is a really good buy. This is priced at rupees 499, but I paid 475 for it. Next here is a fragrance. Yeah, I know I'm breaking the rule. I told you that we are going to start with beauty, but it's there right in front of me, and this is the only fragrance I've picked this time, and this is Villain. And if I'm not wrong, Sanjay Dutt is the brand ambassador of this perfume. My husband really likes Sanjay Dutt's acting, and I thought of buying this for him. So this perfume is originally priced at rupees 750, but I paid only 570, and this is how the bottle looks like, and this smells really good. So if your husband is into clean fragrances, do give this one a try. Next I have one of the most important and stable products in my makeup collection, and it's going to be the Colossal Mascara from Maybelline. I really enjoy this product because first of all it is very pocket friendly, and secondly it performs really well. So this is originally priced at rupees 399, but I paid only 299. That is the reason why I like to shop from Amazon, because you get most of the products on discounted prices. While we are talking about discounts and good deals, do not forget that Great Indian Sale is coming up very soon on Amazon. So make a wish list. Now this is available in both the variants, washable and waterproof. I picked waterproof because I have very short and straight lashes, so they don't stay curled. But I have realized that once you apply waterproof mascaras, they stay curled for a really long time. So it has this very nice thick wand which gives you fuller lashes. So I already have mascara on my top lashes. I think I'm going to apply a little bit on my bottom lashes. This is a cult favorite mascara. Everybody knows about it. So let's move on to the next product. Next, I have picked this compact. I really love Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I wear it all the time, and I thought of picking this compact for two reasons. First of all, this is very small, compact. You can throw it in your purse. Secondly, I love Fit Me range as a whole. I love the foundation, I love the concealer. So this is the shade. I think it's going to work very well on my skin. This compact is originally priced at rupees 199, but I got it for 159. So I have not applied a powder, so I'm just going to do that. I really like to keep a powder handy because there are days when you don't really want to apply full face of makeup and you just want to throw a concealer and some powder and you are good to go. I'm applying it very lightly on the center of my face. This is a swatch. You can't even see it because it just blends into my skin and my face doesn't look dry, and I really like the formula. Fit Me is like my most favorite range from Maybelline. So yeah, here's that. Now I saw this duo on Amazon and I was super stoked. I don't know, I'm not seeing these combos anywhere. If they are anywhere else, do let me know. But here is a combo of two creamy mattes, and the shades here are my favorite shades, Nude Nuance and Touch of Spice. If you are a long time subscriber, you might have seen me talk about those two shades a lot. Those two shades are cult favorite, and especially if you are of my complexion or darker than me, those two shades are perfect everyday colors. So this combo was priced at rupees 598 and I got it for 419 only. So I got a really good deal. First of all, we are going to swatch Nude Nuance. Nude Nuance is a beautiful beautiful brown. Then we have Touch of Spice. So Touch of Spice is a brown with pink hint. Now that we are talking about lipsticks and lipstick swatches, Amazon has a very unique and very useful tool known as virtual try-on, virtual tool for lipsticks. Especially when you buy lipsticks, you sometimes are not sure of how the color is going to look on you. Just choose the shade that you want to buy and then you can see how the shade is going to look on you. It's almost like a virtual swatch of all the colors, and it is very fun as well. So you can just try on all the colors on yourself before buying them. Last but not the least, we have the Lakme Iconic Kajal. So this is definitely an iconic product, and we all need kajals since the festival season is almost here. And this is tested and tried product. This is not a new product for me. I don't have a kajal on my waterline today. So the MRP of this product is 275, but I just paid 193. Should get a brown kajal because it looks way softer than black. See, I have lined my eyes and you can't see a stark black waterline. What is a festival shopping without some jewelry? So I decided to pick some oxidized silver jewelry. So here we have a statement piece, and this is going to look beautiful on western as well as ethnic pieces, ethnic dresses. So this was originally priced at ₹999 and I paid $349. So next I have another piece of jewelry from You Bella. You can see the design is very pretty, and it also comes with a pair of jhumkis. So I think this is very beautiful, and this has a thread string here. So I'm super excited about this, and it looks pretty nice and very good quality. This is originally priced at ₹1499, but I got it for $275. This piece is also from You Bella. They are calling it tribal necklace, and it is very beautiful. It is this 3-layered neck piece, and it also comes with matching earrings. Like, this neck piece is a statement piece. You don't really need anything else when you're wearing this, and I really like the detailing here. All the stones are intact. The piece doesn't feel cheap or anything. It feels pretty nice. So this piece is originally priced at ₹1499, but I got it on discount and I just paid $345. Now I picked this suit. This is a kurti and this is the pant. So this is a suit and pant set. This is from the brand called Biba, and I picked it in size 34. I really like plain kurtas with some accents. So the border on the sleeves here and on the neck here, it looks very nice. Blue is one of my favorite colors to wear. The fabric is cotton. I love cotton fabric, and this looks really smart. This is originally priced at ₹2299 and I paid just $12.99. Right now it is on even more discount. This will be a perfect outfit if you are just casually going to visit your relatives, or somebody's coming to your home and you want to look dressed but not too much. This set is going to look very pretty. Last but not the least, I have a handbag here. So as you can see, this is a very huge bright red handbag. This is from Amazon brand called Eden and Ivy. MRP of this bag is 1099 and I paid $679. It is on discount even now. It is a huge bag. So for example, if you are traveling, especially if you have kids, you can carry few snacks or a water bottle or some stuff inside. It is very sturdy material. It doesn't look cheap at all. It has a beautiful this velvet lining inside, and I personally really like statement bag. That was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this Amazon haul. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.